Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners. Today I'm at District 14, the east side of Singapore, where the laid-back culture meets modern convenience. And I'm very excited to show you a 1-bed plus study in Mera East with a generous amount of space of 753 square feet. Very suitable for singles, couples or investors. Let's go check it out. As soon as you enter the unit, you are greeted with a longish landscape layout with a wall-to-wall distance of 7.25 meters. And this makes your living area and your dining area integrate seamlessly in a very large and spacious area. Unlike most of the shoebox one-bedder out there, this 1-bed plus study gives you an ample space of living area with a wall-to-wall distance of up to 3.5 meters. This makes it a very livable and comfortable area for your family to hang out. The owners has also renovated the living space. You can see the TV console and the cabinets has all been done up, and the space is also good enough for even a 3-seater sofa. Over here you have a nice small planter area where you can grow your plants, and because the space is not too much, it doesn't eat into your usable livable area. A high ceiling of 2.9 meters which makes the house look a lot larger and more spacious, and also cove lighting has been done up by the owner. Over here we have a nice dining area where you can fit up to even a 6-seater dining table to host your friends, and also the entrance to the kitchen is just over here where you can serve your food seamlessly to your guests. Unlike most of the one-bedders out there that have an open concept kitchen, this unit comes with an enclosed kitchen with a sliding door. A beautifully renovated kitchen with hob and hook done up for you, and even a gas stove for heavy cooking, and also a window for ventilation. You also get a very nice yard space for you to put your washer and dryer, and you even have the refuse chute just in the yard for you to conveniently throw your rubbish. You even have a DB box done up for you to store extra items. Amazingly, this unit also comes with a household shelter to store all your extra stuff. And check out the high ceiling where you can stack all your barang all the way up. This is the original study of the unit. The owners have converted it into a walk-in wardrobe with full height cabinets all done up for you with plenty of storage. A large and functional toilet where you have a dedicated area for toilet and lots of space and cabinet for you to store your stuff, and even a separate showering area. And the best thing of all is we have windows for ventilation. A huge master where the cabinet full height is all done up for you, and currently we have a queen size bed, and you can see that there's enough space to fit 2 more side tables, so even your king size bed definitely will have no issues. Vinyl flooring has also been overlaid on the original tiles to make this whole room feel very tastefully designed, matching all the other furnitures in the house. Although a small project, Mera East comes equipped with facilities. We have a fully equipped function room, a fully equipped gym, as well as a swimming pool. Over here we have a swimming pool as well as a jacuzzi pool for you to lounge in and relax on a hot day. A fully equipped air-conditioned gym with running machine, cycling machine, free weights and even a weights machine. Mera East is a freehold project TOP in 2007. It's located in District 14, where we have 3 primary schools within 1 km. We have Sqft, Haig Girls School and Eunos Primary. And also Kembangan MRT is also conveniently located within 500 meters. If you are looking for a freehold, generously sized 753 square feet 1+ study right here in District 14 Mera East, and you like what you just saw, contact me Martin from Property Partners today at 91278681 for your exclusive viewing today.